How to create a short videos for YouTube channel. Creating short videos for your YouTube channel can be a great way to engage your audience and grow your channel. Here are some steps to get you started. Define your niche, identify the topics that you want to cover in your videos. This will help you focus your content and appeal to a specific audience. Choose a format. There are many different formats you can use for your videos, such as vlogs, tutorials, or short films. Choose one that fits your niche and that you feel comfortable with. Plan your content. Once you have a topic and format in mind, plan out your video. Write a script or outline, gather any props or equipment you may need, and decide on the length of your video. Record your video. Use a good camera and microphone to record your video. Make sure your lighting and sound are clear and easy to understand. Edit your video. Once you've finished recording, edit your video to remove any mistakes or unnecessary content. Add music, titles, and other effects to make your video more engaging. Upload and share your video. Once you're happy with your video, upload it to YouTube and share it on social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience. Remember to be consistent with your content and engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. With time and effort, your channel can grow and become a success. Good luck!